In this video, I'll be showing you how to fund your Facebook ad account or pay for your Facebook ad using Nigerian bank transfer. So Facebook recently added a new payment method which has to do with bank transfer. This time around, you don't need to use your dollar card to pay for any ad or fund your ad account. You do it directly by doing transfer into your Facebook ad account. And that is what I'm going to show you right away. So open your Facebook Ads Manager account. You can go to adsmanager.facebook.com, alright, or you can go to facebook.com/adsmanager. So you're going to open your Ads Manager account. So my Ad Manager is open. You go to Billings and Payments. You click Add Funds. Can you see? Pay by bank transfer and pay by USSD. USSD has to do with a unique bank transfer code. Alright, so you can select to pay by bank transfer or you select to pay by USSD. So let me fund my account and let's see what happens. I'm going to fund my account with 3,000. So let's pay by bank transfer. At this point, you enter your phone number. Make sure you enter your correct phone number. It says that the number will be used to generate a virtual bank account for you. So you click continue. So you can see my bank account has been generated and I need to make payment to this account before this timer runs out. Let me quickly make the payment. And with my phone right here, so I'll be making this payment and it's going to reflect in my account. I'm trying to make payment with my phone, so you can see over here that the account detail has been confirmed and it's showing Paga and also it's showing Facebook ads. So I'll click next. I will enter the amount, that is 3,000, and I'll click confirm. So at this point I'll have to pay. Beautiful, the payment has been made successfully. I'll click done. Can you see? Over here the payment has been processed. Beautiful. So this is how you can pay for your Facebook ad using bank transfer. So whether you're using your computer or your phone to run Facebook ads, you can apply the same method and it's going to work. So I'll click done. You can see my account has been funded with 3,000 naira. If I want to fund another account, maybe I want to use USSD. Let's say let me fund 1,000 naira. Alright, I want to use USSD. So I will tap on USSD and I'll click on next. So you'll be asked to select the bank you want to use their USSD for your funding. I'll select First Bank. You'll be asked to enter your phone number. I'll enter my phone number and you click on continue. So it's going to generate a unique USSD code for you. Can you see it? So I have to dial this code using my mobile phone. So I'm heading over to my mobile phone and I will dial this code. transaction successful. So I have successfully funded my Facebook ad account using USSD. Can you see? It's loading. So you can see here I have added 1000 naira using USSD to my Facebook ad account. So I have 4000 naira here. So I just showed you how you can fund your Facebook ad account, pay for your ads using bank transfer or USSD code without having to pay with your MasterCard, Visa card, Valve card, or any other card you own.